Kitchen Chemistry Elephants Toothpaste. Now it's called Elephants Toothpaste because it's a very thick, foamy thing that looks like toothpaste. You really shouldn't brush your teeth with it because it's made up primarily of soap. So we have our soap here, and it only takes a couple drops, so you don't need a lot of soap. Also we have food coloring. We have our 40 volume, you can have 20 volume. A lot of times in our kit you'll see the 20 volume. I just happened to try the 40 volume. They both work, and they work relatively the same. There's not a major difference between the 40 and the 20. Also we have the yeast. You only need one packet of yeast. So usually you have a group of about 4 or 5, and each of them get a tray because it's going to overflow and needs to go in the tray. They're going to get a bottle. This is a regular bottle which you can throw away afterwards or you can recycle. And so you take off the lid here like this. You're also going to have measuring cups and warm water. So all the ingredients are there, and you can bring out the piece of paper and you can have them follow it. A lot of times it's really important to point out that scientists follow procedures over and over again, doing experiments over and over again, just to make sure that the outcome is what we expect. So here, we also have funnels for each group, and it is important that we put gloves on because this can be dangerous. It's corrosive, so it's better if you put gloves on. And also it's just good to teach safety. We have goggles in the kit as well, so we can put goggles on, gloves on, and go. So there's also one camper that's going to be using this stuff. They pour it into the measuring cup, they pour it into there, and so usually pick the older campers, also make sure that they're the ones wearing the gloves. So you put in your warm water and yeast, then you pour in your 40 volume with the soap and your food coloring, and you'll see it bubble up and over. And just follow the directions and you'll have a great time. Kids love this one. Oh, also too, once it happens, once the bubbling happens, then they can touch it because once the reaction happens, it's no longer dangerous.